There's Bear after his bath. Oh, Pumpkin. Yes. So fluffy. So fluffy. Come on. And there's the three boys. There's Lucky and Bear. Small, medium, and large. Although technically, what are you? You're medium, large, and extra large. That's how it lists on the dog site. Come on. You sit. Everybody sit. No. That's good. Whoa. Okay. Sit. Sit down. Durst. Good boy. Sit. Good sit. 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 Hey, you guys, sit down. Good boys. Very nice. There's my handsome men. You all look at each other. Okay, good job.